In this quick tutorial, I will show you on how to change TikTok username in few minutes. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about TikTok tips and tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to change your TikTok username in few minutes. First thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok account. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on edit profile. Then you have to click on username. Then at this point here, you have to enter your new username. When you are done entering your new username, you have to follow the instruction right here that your username should be letters or numbers to be included in your username or underscore. It's as simple as that. Once you are able to enter your new username, simply click on save right here, and then your username is going to change on TikTok. So this is how to change your username in TikTok in a few minutes. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about TikTok tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.